Hello, everybody. How are we doing today? It has come to my attention that most businesses struggle to generate business value in their AI investments. So I shall be trying my best to paint a picture about where AI falls in when it comes to the creation of business strategies and businesses trying to achieve their goals and objectives. When you're trying to formulate a strategy, the first thing you have to do is an audit of your internal and your external environment. In your internal environment, you do an audit of your processes, you do an audit of your resources, the human, the intellectual, the financial, and the physical resources, and you do the audit of your core competencies. Where are you good? Where are you lacking? When you do this, you know your strengths and your weaknesses. Then you do an external audit to know the threats and the opportunities in your environment. There are different factors that you're going to watch out for: political factors, economic factors, the technological factors, the sociocultural factors, the environmental factors, the technological factors, and the legal factors. I think I may have mentioned technological factors twice, but it doesn't matter. So when this is done, then we take a look at the strategy choice cascade as popularized by Roger Martin. Big ups to you. The first stage is, what are the winning aspirations? This is where you set the vision, where you see yourself in the future, the mission statement, an articulation of what the company stands for, the shared value, which is the principles of the organization. What are the words that denotes what the organization is known for? This gives us a guideline, a guide of where the business wants to be in the future, and it tells us what the business stands for. The next step is, where are we going to compete? This is talking about the segments where the business is going to compete, the geographies. Is it just going to be in the United States? Is it going to be in Africa? Is it going to be in Nigeria, my country? Is it going to be in Asia? Are we going to compete around the world? Then this is where we talk about where in the value chain we're going to compete. Is it going to be upstream, near the production and the primary activities like the manufacturing, or tilling the ground and growing the raw material or mining? Is it going to be uh, downstream near the customers, retailing, wholesaling, marketing? Are we going to have stores around the country where customers can deal with us directly? Are we just going to be online? Are we just going to be licensing our proprietary software like Adobe Laboratories? When you think about all this, then the next stage will be, how are we going to win? Here we start thinking about maybe low cost, be the cost leader, or differentiation, produce high quality products and set a high price so you can gain high margin. Or do you want to combine both low cost and differentiation in the form of value innovation? And this is where your blue ocean strategy comes in. After this, we talk about the capabilities that are needed for us to win. Capabilities are your technologies, your data, your AI, your agents, cloud computing, quantum computing. This is where AI comes into the fore. You see, I've spoken about different things. I haven't talked about AI yet. This is where you start talking about AI under the capabilities. This is where you have to know how and where AI is going to help the business to achieve its goals in order for that vision to be realized. And this is where you have to talk about the skills and the expertise that the employees must develop in order for the goals to be achieved. Afterwards, we have the management systems. This is where you have the culture. What kind of strong, positive culture are we going to build so that employees can take risk, so that we can um, reward constant experimentation? What are the leaders gonna? What are the styles that they're going to be using? Is it going to be transformational leadership? Are they going to be able to be charismatic enough to convince everybody to achieve that vision? What about the reward systems that are going to reward the fast learners, the ones that are adopting the new behaviors, that will get us to where we want to get to. We're about change management. So when you put all this together, you know where exactly AI is going to come in to help the company. It's not just something you do because other people are doing. It is something you do in order for you to achieve your business goals. To learn more about this, go to www.schoolofmba.com and enroll in a business data and AI strategy course so that you too can know how you can use AI and data to help your organization. I'll see you around.